Is Python a good future? In over the span of 25 years, Python has managed to reach a level that is high above others, making it the fastest growing language. Not only this, but it also has a promising future along with the addition of other technology. There is no doubt that it has become quite favorite in the software industry. Which is more important, Java or Python? Python is more productive language than Java. Python is an interpreted language with elegant syntax and makes it a very good option for scripting and rapid application development in many areas. Python code is much shorter even though some Java class shell is not listed. Should I learn Java or Python in 2021? If you consider the above parameters and a language ticks most of your boxes, it is safe to go ahead with it. However, if you are beginning to foray into development, Python might be a better choice. On the other hand, Java will be the preferred options for enterprise level programs. Is Python easy or Java? There is more experimentation than production code. Java is a statically typed and compiled language, and Python is a dynamically typed and interpreted language. This single difference makes Java faster at runtime and easier to debug, but Python is easier to use and easier to read. Is Python harder than Java? Python programs are generally expected to run slower than Java programs, but they also take much less time to develop. Python programs are typically 3 to 5 times shorter than equivalent Java programs. Because of the runtime typing, Python's runtime must work harder than Java's. Can Python replace Java? Python continues its rise on the list of popular programming languages in the world. According to type analysts, with this rate, Python can overtake C and Java and become the most popular programming language. Should I learn Java or Python or C++? C++ is great for game development. Python is awesome for science and statistics. Java is important if you want to work at large tech companies. Which pays more, Java or Python? Besides, nowadays artificial intelligence and automation related jobs are more in the market. Thus, preferring Python over Java is more. Is Python used professionally? Python is rather widely used for scripting. This includes various testing, building, development, monitoring, frameworks, scientific apps, and just quick scripts. Python is rather widely used as embedded language. Few, if any, desktop apps are commercially developed in Python. What are disadvantages of Python? Let's see some of the disadvantages of Python. Speed. Python is encrypted language and is slow as compared to C, C++ or Java. Unlike C or C++, it's not closer to hardware because Python is a high-level language. Memory consumption. For any memory-intensive tasks, Python is not a good choice.